How about pressing the watch button to start making money? Yes, by following 3 easy steps, you can make $3 every time you watch a video ad online. You probably watch a lot of videos every day if you're watching this, but you're missing out on the chance to make money because you can't turn on your phone or computer, go to the website I'm about to share with you, and start watching videos that can earn you up to $300 per day without any experience or expertise. The approach of today is completely free, doesn't need a credit card or any other investment, and it operates everywhere in the world. I'll now provide you 2 free websites and apps that let you move between multiple revenue sources at once in order to help you increase your profits. Don't skip any of the video segments. Make sure to watch the entire thing. You can finally make some good money online that might enhance the lives of you and your family if you research all the best websites. Adhere to my instructions and look at my samples. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Therefore, I'm about to show you the first website where you can easily earn money by watching movies or video commercials in a matter of minutes without any prior knowledge or experience. Simply press play to start the video, watch it, and start earning money. But stick around to the end because I'll show you 2 websites in total with numerous real-world instances. To avoid making a mistake, you must first carry out every step I demonstrate in this video exactly as I do it before doing it on your own. Now consider how you might work online and earn real money from your preferred brands. The first step is to just watch a video advertising. They will instruct you on how long to watch each one, and they will reward and compensate you daily based on your viewing time. You can now earn more bonus money after watching those videos by responding to some incredibly straightforward questions. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do it and how to complete a little survey so you may get paid anywhere from 50 cents and $3 for each movie you watch. I'd like to share this extra advice with you. As you can see, they will give you an additional $1 for each friend you recommend, which is an additional revenue stream offered by this company. Additionally, you can download deals from your favorite brands. The best part about this website is that you can start cashing out your money as soon as you have $10 or more, and you can obtain real cash and real money in as little as 24 hours. In the first year, this business paid out over $1 million in cash and benefits. No one has ever heard of this brand new website, and nobody else seems to be talking about it either. As you can see, it's really easy to earn paid-to-view video advertisements and finish online surveys. They also give you a range of payment choices. You can decide to receive your payment through PayPal, a bank transfer, a gift card, or a contribution, for instance. At this point, I want you to focus and visit AdWallet.com. It is a totally free program that you can get from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. You can therefore immediately begin using this software after downloading it for free. All you need to sign up for this site is a phone and an email address. Check out this and other helpful hints we have for you, like how to get an extra $1 for free just by making a free account by entering the promo code FAC during sign-up. I'll give you a quick tour of the Google Play Store. Thus, this is how the logo appears. AdWallet is the title. Make sure you look for the right software and download it in order to present you a new videos and adverts that you may view and earn money online based on how much money you've made on this app. They will now display you your balance when you log into your AdWallet account on your phone. As an illustration, as you can see, there are 3 new videos that you can watch. For every movie you watch, you may make up to $3. Once you've made money by viewing adverts, you can withdraw it. Let's go on to the second website, BucksInside.com, where you may work from home and get paid every 10 seconds for watching commercials. Simply explore the websites for the various advertisers to get started, and you may quickly withdraw your money within 24 hours and start receiving payments. The best feature of the service is that you can begin withdrawing your funds as soon as you hit $2. You can make money just by viewing that advertisement on their page. These services handle many different currencies, making this a really simple and quick option for anyone to make money. Additional payment methods include Payza, advanced cash, gold money, PayPal, Perfect Money, and others. You can watch these further examples of advertising now. If I select this, I will be directed to a website where I only need to remain for around 30 seconds before leaving. After that, they will credit your account with all of the money, and you can repeat the process as many as you wish. For instance, if you click on the following advertisement, you'll be transferred to the following website and have to remain there for a further 30 seconds before being paid. Now, in order to receive your reward, it is crucial that you finish the work accurately. Go to the registration page, click the register button, and you'll be directed to this page if you want to register for this website. You must provide your email address, username, and the currency you want to be paid in when you arrive there. The next step is to choose your approach from a range of possibilities. Click I declare to have read, understood, and accepted the terms of service after entering your birth year. Take advantage of these chances since they will open up more options for you to earn money in the future. By clicking this button, you can create a free account once you've completed the sign-up process. In addition to earning money by seeing adverts, this is a great passive income strategy. In essence, this is an additional method for generating income from this website. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.